Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I am so happy you stopped by. Today I am sharing part 2 of my nesting mode series. So if you haven't seen part 1, I will have the link in my description box as well as here in the cards, so you guys can go check that one out first. It does involve me decluttering and organizing baby boy's closet, which was a major transformation. But today I am focusing on organizing all of his clothes, changing table, and just putting things where they belong. So if you are needing some motivation today, I hope this gives you all of the inspiration you need to get started. Also, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here and enjoy seeing these types of videos. I would love to have you be a part of my family here. And with all of that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so I am starting out with washing all of baby boy's newborn and 0 to 3 month clothing, along with his swaddles, blankets, barb cloths, and things he will be needing as soon as he's here. I didn't wash any of his 3 to 6 month or bigger clothing just yet, but I did keep them hanging for now, and I will get to them later on. So this is a couple of days later, and this is how the room is currently looking like. We got this genie recently. We went to purchase it at Target because we didn't have a diaper pail. So we knew we wanted to get one for baby boys, and I'm thinking of putting it beside the changing table, obviously. And then we got some newborn diapers. We didn't have any, so we just got one packet. I'm not sure how big he's gonna be, but we went with just one. And then this rug came in the mail yesterday. Planning to just sweep really quickly and then put it on the floor. And then got some other goodies over here. A sweet friend of mine, Hilda, she gave me some of these. So definitely gonna store these and put them where they belong. And then I finally got my Target registry bag that they give you if you are registered. And it just came with a couple of little goodies, some little bottles and size 1 diapers for Huggies. And then they also gave me some breastfeeding nursing pads and then storage bags. So definitely good little treat, and good to have, good to try some things out to see which one baby boy likes. And then I got some Honest little diaper wipes. Alright, and I don't think we're going to keep this organizer in here. We are planning to put a rocking chair over here. We have a rocking chair, but we have to sand it down a little bit and then paint it. I'll see how everything turns out once all of this is set up and how I want to arrange it. And then over here, disorganized once again, but we will get to it. And then I got some new clothes for baby boy. A family member gifted these to us. So I just gotta make sure I wash these. I'm planning to hang this up above the changing table somewhere, along with the picture frame from a baby shower. Okay, so I'm going to get started. I hope you guys are enjoying these nesting videos along with me. Sorry I look like a hot mess, but I didn't feel like getting ready today.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So I had asked on Instagram how much newborn and 0 to 3 month clothing is good to have. And I had a mix of answers, honestly, just depending on baby size and just personal preference. I felt like I didn't have enough, so I did purchase several more onesies and sleepers for baby boy, just in case, for blowouts and spit ups and things like that. I know they outgrow them so quickly, so I didn't want to go overboard with a lot of newborn items, but I am curious. Let me know down below in the comments how much you like to get during the newborn stage. is how the nursery is turning out so far. I just wanted to give you guys a little overview, and I just put this up right now. I didn't film any of it. I am planning to move that picture frame of baby boy's ultrasound picture probably right here, because that's probably not too safe to be, you know, just loose like that and not hanging on anything. But yeah, love how it's turning out, and I'm not sure if I'm going to leave that little onesie, but I do love how it's looking. And yeah, I thought this was cute. I did want to hang this up, but it wouldn't go in the little hole, so I'm just putting it here for now. Yeah, but I am loving how it's turning out, you guys. And again, this is just what it is right now. I have this set up like this. We are in the process of sanding down the nursing chair that will be in here. And then these picture frames I'm planning to put above here. Thinking of making some little greenery to hang over here. And we'll see how that turns out. And then we still have to set up his little swing and bouncer combo eventually. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 nesting mode series. I'm thinking this is probably going to be the last one, at least for the nursery. I may include a cleaning one along the way because I have a whole list of things I want to do around the house also. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you made it this far. Be sure to look out for a nursery tour sometime in the near future. I'm so excited that we are so close to finishing up his nursery and just having a place for baby boy to hang out in and for us to make memories in, for him to eventually sleep in here. He's not sleeping in here anytime soon, but I did want to have it set up for him so we don't have to worry about that when he's here. But anyways, with all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support. I appreciate you guys so much. And I'm going to be showing you guys my 36-week bump, you guys. I am 36 weeks and 1 day. So I am going to show you that, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.